What's up? It's Lily from the Fox Family Homestead. So today we are cleaning out our shed, and we are getting 60 meat bird chicks and 6 turkey chicks, and we're gonna fit them all in the shed
in 2 days.
In 2 days.
So we have to get it set up tonight.
Yeah.
So we had to take apart the picnic table, take down the hoses. So this is what it looks like before. Camping stuff, gardening stuff, and hopefully everybody will fit in here.
Cross fingers.
Alrighty, so we got all 3 pins in here. I have all of the heat lamps hooked up and tied up to the ceiling there. They're on tarps, and they all have their wood shavings in there. I'm hoping the heat lamps are where they need to be. And I'm taking it in right now because right now it smells good. It smells like fresh wood. A couple days it's not going to smell so great. So I'm going to close up the shed, and we're going to wash some totes to put their food, because the turkeys are going to go in here and they get non-medicated chick food. 30 meat birds are going to go in here. 30 meat birds are going to go in here, and they get medicated food. So I'll have to have 2 different totes for their food. We're going to go wash out their waterers and get those going. And we'll close it up tonight and see how warm it is in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't burn the shed down. But other than that, I think we're ready for them.